Hey everybody, DayTraderRockStar here, and we're going to kick off the New Year's with a brand new video. Now, a lot of things are happening today. This is the first trading day of the new year, so there's a couple things I want to go over, but we just happen to have some news in the market. Now, today was a pretty interesting day. We were down 400 points, then we bounced, and we ended up being ended in positive territory. But after the close, Apple came out and warned for their first quarter that their iPhone sales were not going to be up to par. They lowered their guidance, basically, blaming their their battery rebate or their battery deal they did for the last year and slower China sales and some other things. But overall, it did get hit. So normally we're watching Apple trade. Here, I want to bring up Apple up on the chart here just to give you a idea where we are. We were trading up here about 158 today, and now we're at 146 after hours. So big breakdown in Apple. Probably going to be a dead stock for a while. I'm not going to say this is going to be a tremendous buy down here, but boy, I like that 150 area. This is back under 150, back counted all the way down to 145. Not even going to try to guess what's going to happen with the bottom on this tomorrow when people wake up and they get into work. It's funny that it came after tax loss selling, the year-end tax loss selling. A lot of stocks, I would say, got hit with that. And now the first of the year, welcome, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you, Apple, starting the year off on a note like this. The market had reacted slightly. Right now, if we take a look, futures are down 29. Nasdaq futures down 133. It's not a bloodbath like it could be. It's actually building back up, and we'll be trading here tonight, all night. So if you happen to come by Day Trading Radio, probably see either a bot up on the screen here trading the futures, or myself on the mic to about 11 o'clock. I'm going to be working on some things. So if you happen to get this early and you want to tune in, go to daytradingradio.com. Just to update you on that a little bit more, I broadcast every single day the markets are open. Again, U.S. markets, I get on about 8 o'clock in the morning. We trade all the way to 4 o'clock, and there's a couple evening shows, including tonight, which will be on a little bit later. And whenever there's breaking news, I tend to jump on there. You can watch Day Trading Radio on multiple devices. Of course, it's an internet streaming show, but you could also stream it through your, you can stream it through your car and TuneIn Radio. TuneIn Radio. Just do a search for DayTraderRockStar or Day Trading Radio. And also, if you have a Roku device, you could put a live stream app on your TV, live stream, and do a search for DayTraderRockStar. Day Trading Radio, and you'll see the stream. You can sit in your living room and sit back with a cocktail and watch the show, and there's many other ways of watching and listening to it. So after the introductions are done, I want to go back and just throw out there, you know what, we're actually going to do another video after this. I want to break down things for you. I'm actually going to save the good stuff for the next video. But just wanted to update you on the Apple move this evening, and probably not going to touch it too much. I do have a little Apple in my long-term account, and when we talk about that, the last I picked it up was 168. So yeah, I'm down a little on this, but I don't have many shares at all. Nothing to really even talk about. We do have some good setups for you though going into tomorrow. Now I'm going to be watching the market closely, because today we actually called for a rally out of the gate with the gap down. I look for a rally, and from 9:30 we did rally. We rallied really good, got into positive, then pulled back. At the end of the day, we closed up a little, 25.10 area, 25.08, and then after hours you can see we're down here with the Apple news. So we're kind of resetting. Tomorrow traditionally also finishes off what we call the Santa Claus rally. It's the first. It starts after Christmas, the day after Christmas, to the end of the year, and the first couple days of January, trading days of January. So tomorrow officially, and we can even, we're not going to say that's where the rally is going to end. if you consider this a rally. But there's been a nice bounce in the market after Christmas. Traditional Christmas rally, Christmas Santa Claus rally is, we could take credit for that. Christmas will take credit for that. So, a lot to look forward to in 2019. Please check out Day Trading Radio. We have tons of traders in the rooms. We trade futures, stocks, and options. We have people involved in cryptocurrencies also and other trading vehicles. So there's a lot going on. Come on by. The first week of the new year, which we're getting a holiday in the middle of the first week with New Year's Day. So we have a couple more days here left. But I just want to wish everyone a happy New Year. If we haven't touched base, and that's it. But I want to get an educational video out now. So if you happen to get this, look forward to an educational video. I want to be talking about how we identify and how in 2019, how I am going to identify every setup every day for you. Mostly for the futures traders. For the futures traders, that's what we watch every day. We take the stock trades too, and I bring those to your attention when they're setting up. We have a big list that we go over, but of course we're always watching, and I'm going to show you how to identify all the great setups. Like today, if we could start from 9:30, I walked you through multiple setups, and each one we call on the spot, and each one you can look back and see the reaction of them and why they moved here. So these are absolutely fantastic setups. The only thing you're going to have to learn in 2019 is discipline, patience. Discipline and patience are the two attributes needed to be a successful trader in this market. Patience to let the setups come to you. Discipline to take those setups and to take them off. Nothing's nothing's meant to be a long-term hold here at this point. And when I'm discussing setups on our individual, intraday chart, these are scalping setups. We have a lot of tools to pinpoint those. And I'm going to go over all those tools and all those setups in the next video, so please tune in. You'll probably see it right after this video. And that's it for now. Let me get this out to you. If you're out there, you want to tune in tonight, we got a lot of action. We're probably I'm gonna have the bot. The bot is running in the background, and that will trigger some setups also. So see you then. I'll be in touch, and I'll be back in the markets.